All right, this is John Hayes. I am coming to you, Mike. We're talking Costa Sanders here at the AHP Manufacturing Technology Show 2024. We're just trying to figure out how to get things off of the laser over there, or off of a water jet, or off of a plasma, off of a burn table, whatever. Put flat parts through there and make them come out without the burr.
Exactly. So what we're demonstrating here is our Costa model MD4 CV, which represents the two different working units in the machine to ensure when the parts come off the laser that we're removing the primary burr from the surface and getting a nice radius edge.
Yep.
And also with the option to be able, you can see here on this stainless steel, kind of done a half and half. This shows when you do the edge rounding, and you do have the option to put a nice directional grain finish on the part as well.
Say for a kitchen guy or something like that.
Right, they need that cosmetic finish.
Yeah, there you go. Yep, gotcha.
Yep.
Yeah, I think a lot of times people, because they used to do the burn table, and that was really rough, or a plasma, and so they went to a laser thinking they don't have to do that.
Right.
And yeah, you've got a lot less to remove, but really any type that's been done through there, unless you plan on hand finishing it, going around and do that.
And also, one of the big concerns for a lot of customers is, even if you have minimal burrs or no burrs, you still have a really sharp edge. That's why it's really critical, and they don't want their operators, customers touching the parts and getting cut.
Yep.
So, the laser does a great job, but then we can come and put a nice radius edge on the part. And
I think what people might miss is they see the machine and think, oh, it's a wide belt sander. To a point, but there's a lot more going on there than just a wide belt.
There is. I mean, the brush technology has come a long way over the years, and that's how we're able to, equally. That's what we're demonstrating the whole equally edge around the part.
Yep.
And get a nice
when people see, if they see the a close up of this, you can tell it's not just a brush. It's not just a belt that's doing that. You've got brushes going on. You've got all kinds of things going on.
Yeah, a really good finish off the brush.
Yep.
And it's ready for painting as well.
Yep. Yeah, I didn't even think about that, but yeah, you're right. Ready for painting, or if you're gonna weld, if you're gonna anything you're gonna do with the next process is probably good, right?
Exactly. Yep. Because now you condition the surface, and now you get good paint adhesion, not only on the surface but on the edge as well.
Gotcha. Yep, for sure. Cool. Anything that we can help you with? Again, certain surfaces, removing the burrs from there on the flat parts. Love to work with you on it. Mike's available. Come out, take a look at the application, make the call. We got abrasives experts that can help with the abrasives and figure out, okay, I'm doing a kitchen part and I need this certain finish on here. We can do everything from start to finish and actually figure that entire thing out for you. Cool. Mike, thanks for your time. I appreciate it, man. Good to have you here. Thanks.